guys, welcome back to my channel. Listen, we all have that one friend that will be like, oh yeah, that looks good, you look great, yeah, you look perfect, that is beautiful, that looks good, you're so good at makeup, you're so good at dressing, oh my god, that shirt is so cute. We all have that friend or family member. We've been through it, right? So I got today's video idea when I was scrolling through my Facebook and I found these pictures, which is from when I lived in Arizona, and over there it was really in to be kind of like seen, kind of emo, so I started with my bangs. It was also really cool to have extensions, so I went to Sally's and I got extensions for $100 and I thought I was the shit. Nobody told me that my bangs too far to the side and too swooped on my forehead, and also no one told me that my hair was two different colors and my natural hair did not match my extensions whatsoever. Now, I have also been that person to not say anything when someone looks bad. I remember one time when I was in Tennessee, my friend brought one of her friends to come hang out with us, and her lips were overdrawn way too much. They looked horrendous, but I could not bring myself to be like, hey girl, you don't look good. Like, it does not look good. Like, it looks ridiculous. Like, tone it down a little bit. I could not bring myself to say that. That brings us to today. I have a lip liner in my hand because I came up with this idea for this video from going through my old pictures and remembering that I was one of those people that didn't tell this girl that she looked ridiculous. So that makes me pretty fake because I talked about it behind her back, and that's not cool. Like, I'd rather someone tell me like, hey, that just doesn't look right. Hey, you have food in your teeth. Hey, that outfit doesn't match. Hey, your extensions don't match your hair. So today I'm gonna test out my friends, family, and you guys. You guys aren't gonna see this video or know this until I post it, but I'm gonna be posting Snapchats and stories on my Instagram today, and there are a lot of you guys that are very brutally honest with me, so I'm expecting a few of you to be like, girl, this ain't it. But I'm curious to see what my friends say, including my boyfriend. But I guess first things first is I need to overdraw my lips. I don't usually wear makeup or like lipstick like this or line my lips that much, so I feel like people are gonna notice it because I never really wear lip liner or lipstick or anything really. I just kind of wear my lip gloss. But today we're just gonna go for it.
Oh, no.
I want people to think I'm like legit being serious. Like, I'm not gonna smile or anything when I see my friends. I'm just gonna talk to them normally and see if they say anything. Alyssa! What? I'm coming into your room. Oh my god. Are you feeling any better?
What happened?
What do you mean?
Oh, it looks...
What are you talking about?
Wait, what? Wait, did you...
What are you talking about?
Or did you just overline your lips? I can't. Look at you. It looks like you sucked off a vampire or something.
Where's your light? I need some light. We're off to a good start. So my idea for this video is, you know those pictures I posted on my Instagram the other day that were like, I was like, no one told me how bad I looked. The pictures of me from 2011 with my hair extensions.
Yeah.
So my idea for this video is, since no one like told me how bad I looked, I wanted to see how fake my friends are today. If you guys would tell me that I look like shit.
Well, I'm telling you.
So you're a real friend, Alyssa.
Looks like you sucked off a vampire. So, Martin hasn't even seen you like that yet?
No, I haven't even told him. He has no idea. I'm gonna see him later though.
But this is good because like the normal person that doesn't know you probably wouldn't think any different.
I know.
But
and
since I know what you look like, it
like,
scares me a little.
Thanks for being a real friend.
I got you, girl. I got you.
Her fiance is coming to pick her up right now because she lost her key. So now I'm gonna get his reaction. Was he laughing at you or my lips?
Wait, should we go ask him? Yeah, go ask him.
Were you laughing at me or were you laughing at her lips? I'm doing this thing where I want to see if people are going to tell me I look like shit or not. Like if they're going to be real with me, if they're going to be fake.
What?
So I overline my lips like crazy to see if people like tell me.
Oh my gosh.
You really don't think that looks off?
Not the shit that I see out here.
That's true.
Alright, so I'm going to post my first story of the day on Instagram, and I want to see how long it's going to take for someone to message me and be like, what the fuck?
I'm scared for you.
So I just posted a selfie on Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me, and if you guys saw this and you were like, what the fuck, comment down below, because I want to know. If you wanted to say something to me but you're too scared to, that's hilarious. Comment down below. OMG, ill. Oh, that's you! I just wanted to say hi.
What's up? I don't see your key in here. What did you do?
What did you do?
It looks like you just gave Fudge Man a blowjob.
Oh, thank you for being a great friend. Seriously. Honestly, you guys are the best friends ever.
I know.
Love you. Alright, now I'm on the way to go pick up Keela, and let's see what she says. Okay, I'm driving, so I should not be filming this right now, but I just got a response to my story. I've been driving for like 15 minutes, so the story's been up for like...
Turn left onto La Cienega Boulevard.
So the story's been up for like 20 minutes, but someone just replied right now and said, no! Okay, I'm pulling up. I know. Hi! Come here!
You look good.
Fabulous, right? Hi.
Kylie Jenner, who, bitch?
Hi, I'm Kaelyn. Nice to meet you.
I'm like over here eating. No. You really don't.
So, update, I just got home. Lips are still looking very delicious. I just told my mom to FaceTime me because I want to get her reaction. And then I have a lot of work to do, and then I have to go meet Martin. Bentley's judging me right now. Are you judging me? Do my lips look really bad? Yeah? Oh, you still love me. You good boy. Also an update from my Instagram story. I've only gotten 2 replies, surprisingly. Both of them were the same. Both of them were, no! You 2 out of 29,000 people, you 2 are the most honest ones. My mom's calling.
Hello?
1 second. What do you do? Is this on me?
Oh my god, what's wrong with your lips?
What do you mean?
It looks like you ate a chocolate pop.
That's not nice.
Oh, it looks like you ate chocolate.
I got lip injections.
You did not. You're so full of shit. You don't need lip injections.
I'm just kidding, bitch. I knew you'd be honest with me. I'm doing an experiment, and I drew my lips on all crazy.
Did anybody tell you?
Yeah.
Did they?
Like, I've had 2, because I posted a picture on Instagram too, like, on my story. Only 2 people on Instagram have messaged me, and they both go, no! And then, like, my friends that know me have been like, what are you doing? But, like, there's 2 people.
Like, out of here.
Yeah, there's 2 people that I don't know that I've talked to today that are like, no, like, I mean, what do you mean? And I was like, are you kidding me? This looks horrible. They're like, I mean, if you really look at it, I'm like, you guys are fake as fuck. Like, it looks bad. So,
I was just like, what the heck?
yeah. That's why I wanted you to FaceTime me, because I wanted to see if you'd notice or not. Yeah,
yeah,
thanks
I
for being
noticed.
real. Time for the most anticipated part of my day, at least. I'm on my way to Martin's, and I'm curious to see if he's gonna be honest with me or if he's just gonna ignore the fact that I look like this. I'm almost to Martin's, and to be honest, my lips look disgusting, so if he doesn't say anything, I will never ever trust his judgment again. All right, I'm here. Let's go see what he says. Where are you?
Right here. We just had the most difficult time getting that thing out of here.
What?
What are you doing?
What do you think? Are you swimming? Yeah. So I'm filming a video
Yeah.
where I made my lips all crazy and I went around to see if people would tell me if my lips looked crazy or not. Like, be honest with me.
Yeah.
That's
look
so
like-
funny. Alright guys, it's 12:22. My day is over. My lipstick is off, and I'm gonna look and see. Okay, so the picture that I posted today ended up getting 11 replies. 2 of them were Keela and Alyssa, who already saw my lips. And then 2 of them were while I was driving. And then some random people replied. But my favorite one is, honey, no offense, but your overlining looks like it was made for a joke. It looks so obvious. Well, you know what? It was a joke. But thank you for being honest, and honestly, thank you for the people that called me out, and I respect that, especially Martin. I was like hoping that you would say something because I'd never trust
Well, I
you again
did.
if you didn't. I know, I'm glad you did. But if you guys like this video and you want more videos like this where I think of something and like set out and do it, then thumbs it up and comment down below. Also subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.